Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another video. So in this lesson we're going to begin to fix the errors that were left over from the last video, and we'll begin by creating the scripts. So come please to the opponent folder in the scripts, and we'll create a new C# script. Opponent, let's begin with high kick. We'll create the next one, opponent, low kick. And we'll create the two for the punches, so opponent, punch left. And finally for opponent, punch right. So let's now have a look. So okay, with those four scripts created, as you can see, we still have 4 errors, but they are now different errors. So let's begin by, first we'll come to player 1. Let's use the high script to begin with. And we'll open the opponent high kick. So the error we've got is because this variable doesn't exist yet. So let's just copy those. And we'll paste that in. So we need to obviously change opponent to player in this instance. Let's have a look. Return if player should be returned now if opponent. And again, we'll change that in the comments. So if we come to console, let's just have a look. Player 1 impact point, that was it. So let's change that. Let's just save that off. As you can see, we are down to 3. So let's continue on with this script. So let's begin with copying everything in the void start. Let's paste that in. Obviously we need to change that to player 1 impact point. Again, we'll change it in the comments. So let's have a look. I'm going to leave the void update for now, because we've got some more code to copy into the opponent AI and it will cause an issue with this variable. Let's have a look. At the rest. So I'm going to copy both the on trigger stay and head kick functions. Let's paste those in. So we'll change that from underscore opponent to player 1. So let's have a look. We call that function. That does not need changing. This does. So play 1 head hit. We'll copy and paste that into the comments, and obviously the player 1 impact point needs to be changed, and here player 1 impact points. Let's just have a look. Head hit, sorry, yes. just come back, just made a little mistake there. So opponent, impact point, and copy player 1 head hit. There we go. So let's just swap those out in the comments. And I'm just going to break that line up, keep it all nice and neat. So break that comment line up. So head kick, did we actually create this in the player movement? Let's have a look where we got to. So player 1 movement, opponent hit by, yep, fine. So player, we'll need to change this to player 1 movement. So let's have a look. We need to actually access the player 1 state, so let's change that. So let's go through. We'll change the enum to public, and let's now come and paste that in. So what we've got is player 1 movement dot underscore player 1 state equals player 1 movement player 1 states player hit by, and we want the high kick. So let's just tidy that up. We need to change this. Player 1 movement state to equal player hit by high kick. So let's just save that off there, and we'll actually close that, We'll come to the console and, sorry, wrong one, player low kick. It should be the opponent low kick we need to open. And we'll also open both of the punch scripts. And so player low kick. In fact, we'll just copy straight from the high kick 1. So let's begin. And we're just going to copy in the variables. And we'll paste that in. And finally we'll come to the opponent low kick. Now let me just come back to the player 1 low kick script. What did we use? Named it body hit collider, so we'll use the same naming convention, keeping everything consistent. Low kick. So let's just copy in that one for body hit collider. Now we'll come to both punch scripts, return if opponent is, and what did we use? Of course that one's for, I think it was punch right. Is punching right. Let's save that off. Return if opponent is, I'll just say punch left. Left value, and for the low kick is low kicking. So let's come back, let's save that off now. And we'll clear it off. We've still got a few red errors there with a few line inconsistencies, but don't worry, we'll pick this up in the very next video. And we'll continue on and correcting all the errors and filling out these functions, these scripts a little bit more. As I said, we do have some more code for the opponent AI as well. So hopefully we'll get around to that in the next lesson. But we'll leave it here for now. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope to see you next time. And until then, as always, bye for now.